Now, for example, when you are doing an inspection, you have got over here screws. Now, you need to know how many screws come. Sometimes there are 4 screws, sometimes there are 6 screws. Now, in 6 screws, very often what happens, the carpenter will come and fix 2 and 2, just to hang this thing, and he will forget to fix the rest of it. You finish the entrance. From the entrance, you have moved to the foyer, right? What all is in the foyer? Now, when we get to the foyer, for example, we will have to turn on and see, is this skirting in line? Is this a proper rectangle? Right angles are there or not? Everything will have to be checked. You will have to have with you set square, right angle, everything has to be with you to check. In the staircase, you can have steps. If you have a step, the tread, you can have the stainless steel railing, the glass, all the fixtures that go along with it. You will have to check the vacuum points to see are they working or not. You will have to have dust on the floor, vacuum it, go to the back there, is the dust going into the vacuum cleaner? Wall. So we look at the walls, are all the walls neatly finished? Are they in alignment? Are there cracks? Are there plaster marks? Right? Brush marks. Because for example, you are now using rollers for everything. Right? Are the roller marks? Sometimes you will see very poor painting, you will see roller marks also. When you open it, how many racks are there? Are there rack holes? Provision. Are there rack holes for changing the rack size? Is it there? What is available over here? Are they sitting on 4 different supports? All that has to be checked. So this is supposed to be the door frame between the dry kitchen and the wet kitchen. So you have to specify that dry kitchen. So you have living, you have puja, you have dining, dry kitchen, and then you move into the wet kitchen. Is it smoothly finished? You cannot have a situation where there is it's not smoothly finished, it's not finished. Check that very clearly. Nosing is a separate item. You have to have the nosing for the counter. Yeah. Is it nosed? Is the nosing polished? Very important. Is the nosing polished? Has a bearing capacity. For example, how much of weight can this shelf take? So you will have to get the specification and say, can it hold 10 kilos, 20 kilos, 30 kilos? Now remember something very important. Keys have to be locked and kept in custody of one person. Because it is very simple to go out and make duplicates of the keys. That's the last thing that we want. When you open, put your fingers this way to see that is any water leaking out of these areas. This is a very critical part. After that is done, you're opening this. Let the water go down. All the joints that you have over here, run your fingers right through. For one of the very important aspects of a sink, is it fixed in level? The last thing that you want is water to be coming here and flowing this way. Right through, check the entire skirting. Is the skirting in order? Is the skirting aligned? Right? Then you have the walls. Painting. All the walls, are they, before painting, are they in alignment? So, kitchen, toilets. Very, very important that these 2 places is as flawless as possible. Is the flow right? Now, when this happens, water around it, is it going inside? So, is this in alignment? When you are in the toilet, please, you have to do a water flow test. Pour water, does the water flow? Right? There is no substitute to this under any circumstance. Switch it off. See whether automatic rescue device is functioning. Ensure that it switches off and then you see how you come down to the next floor. While you are doing this and you're having the automatic sensors, test every scenario. If the sensors are there for the windows, open the window. Does it work? Is the glass straight. Put your hand at it straight, put it down. It should be smooth. Go down. You cannot have chipped ends, nothing. A small chip is not okay. Here you have to mark what each thing is for. Which area, what is it for? Has to be marked. Ideally, if you get a proper sticker and put it inside. Don't do handwritten stuff. Those problems. Has it been polished right? You have to run your hand on the floor to see whether there are, because this Italian marble, there will be some, chip, etc. should not be there. Ask them to do a test, call from there. Can you see it? Right? Is it working? If he rings the bell, how do you answer? How can you open? Get a hose and hose all these areas to see whether water is going in or not.